How to redeem or how to use your Expedia points. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinbisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem or use your Expedia points. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to use or redeem your Expedia points, what you can do is you can simply open up Expedia. Once you open it up, log into your account. If you head over to your profile, or if you tap on the account tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your points right at the top. In my case, you can see I don't have any points, but to redeem it, you won't be able to redeem it directly. But what you can do is during your checkout or during your payment or during your booking or any such reservation, on the payment page you'll find the option that says use my points. So you can tap on it and you can use your points. You can select the use my points option on the payment page during checkout and you're good to go. So this way you can redeem Expedia points or use Expedia points. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.